Deco error on TP Link Deco app. If you're encountering a deco error on the TP Link Deco app, here's a step-by-step guide to troubleshoot and resolve it. 1. Restart your deco units. Power cycle the deco devices by unplugging them, waiting 10 seconds, and plugging them back in to refresh the connection. 2. Check internet connection. Ensure your modem or ISP connection is active by testing with another device to rule out internet issues. 3. Reboot the modem. Restart your modem by unplugging it for 10 seconds, then reconnecting to resolve potential modem glitches. Four. Verify app and firmware updates. Update the Deco app and Deco firmware to the latest version to fix known bugs. 5. Reconnect to the network. On your mobile device, disconnect and reconnect to the Deco network to refresh the connection. 6. Relocate Deco units. Ensure Deco units are within range and not obstructed to improve signal strength. 7. Reset the main Deco. If the issue persists, reset the main Deco to factory settings by pressing and holding the reset button for 10 seconds. 8. Reconfigure the network. Use the Deco app to set up the network again, following the on-screen instructions carefully. 9. Check for interference. Remove electronic devices causing interference, e.g., microwaves, near Deco units to enhance performance. Thank you for watching.